I found a little bit more time, and I think we're gonna go in with some of the darker colors in the palette. They're still pastels, but just something a little bit more my forte, just to see if it will work. We tried Tulle, we tried Brisk, we tried Limoncello, we tried Zest. We're gonna go in with Bora and Starlet. So I'm thinking that Starlet will look really good in the inner corners, and then I'm gonna do Bora. Is that Bora? Yeah, I'm gonna do Bora on the outer corners. So this is what Starlet looks like on the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Starlet to the corners. Ooh! Okay, I like this. I like this. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. See, Starlight is a color that I would usually rock. Like back in the day, I had like this palette. It was like, actually I still have them. Let me show them to you. So these are like the Faces stacks. They're just like pigments. I've had these for years. I don't know if they're still good. You guys let me know. I feel like they're not, but like I can't find it within my heart to throw them out. Like they just remind me of when I first started doing makeup. I don't know what I was saying last. My SD card was full, didn't want to let us be great. So let's go ahead and just continue applying that to the inner corners of the eye. I like to stop about right here. I'm gonna come over just a little though, so that I don't have like a strong differentiating line when I do go in with Bora. So far it's looking good. It's looking like something that I would normally wear. It's a color that I think looks very beautiful on brown skin. You know, like brown skin girl. Okay, let me stop singing. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. It's not one of those. If you guys are interested in supporting Find Natural Hair Rocks, all of the links to the products that I'm using today are going to be located in the description box. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Also, when you do see those ads that show up on my videos, I get paid for those ads. So if you do see something that you're interested in one of those ads, definitely, you know, watch all the way to the end to support your girl so that I can continue bringing these types of videos to you, because yeah. Okay, that's looking gorgeous. I freaking love that. Oh, I love it so much. And it has like a two-tone vibe to it, which is really nice too. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm not gonna clean my brush. No, yes, I am gonna clean my brush because I want to control where the pigment is going. So yeah, so I'm just cleaning my brush right now. And then we're gonna actually go in and apply good old Bora Bora. So in case you forgot, I'm a little scared, but in case you forgot, this is Bora Bora right here. Actually, it's just Bora. Why am I calling it Bora Bora? Actually, you know what it is? I think I want to go to Bora Bora. That's what it is. Like I haven't traveled in like literally 3 years. Okay, so this is where like I'm not feeling this. Like here comes the patchy again. Like I'm not feeling that patch game. Let me see if I can fix it. Ooh, actually, the color is nice. It's just the application of it. Like, why do you look like that? But this is a really nice color story. I gotta give it to the Natasha Denona team. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip that to get less pigment from Bora over there and more of the actual Starlet. So yeah, that looks very nice to me. I love it. And I actually like it on top of the white, on top of the black jacket. I'm not wearing a jacket. Why can't I think? On top of my black top. I like it. I like it a lot. And I think it's gonna look even nicer once I go in with my eyeliner. So that's very pretty. That's such a fantastic color. I knew that this color would work well for me. Purples usually work well, and so do those shimmers, like I was telling you before. So this is good. This is really good. I like that shimmer a lot. So I'm actually gonna go in with the shimmer and just clean up the other side over here to kind of get that look going. Now, in terms of, you know, just diffusing the outer edges, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse the outer edges with my 242 Makeup Forever brush. Curlfriend, if you're looking at this and wondering like how was I able to get these crazy colors to blend, it's all in the brushes, like the brushes and your technique. So if your technique is on point, it will blend. I mean, patchy is just patchy. There's no real way to fix patchy except to like buy a better formula or create a better formula. But for me, I'm really liking exactly how this is looking. I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. And editing Lavinia in the mix. I actually decided to do something crazy and apply for the Sephora Squad membership. Being a Sephora Squad member means that you get exclusive access to new drops, mentorship, professional development, guidance. There's also all these live events, which of course I'm gonna be bringing to the Curlfriend crew. So the reason why I'm telling you all of this is because getting testimonials from my audience is really gonna help my application go all the more further with Sephora. So we're off to an amazing start. Gwen Stefani and her Give team actually reposted your girl right on their Instagram page. Also, we actually have already hit 21 testimonials. So the goal with Find Natural Hair Rocks between now and about June, I wanna say, is to get to 1,000 testimonials. So if we can do this, Find Natural Hair Rocks is about to get that much more hotter as it relates to natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle content. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link right there. Definitely hit it up for your girls so that, just tell me why you love Find Natural Hair Rocks. Let's just get back to the regular programming of today's video. I tried out 3 different looks using my Natasha Denona palette. Not gonna lie, there are some patchy colors in there that I was just like, you're definitely gonna have to utilize a couple of different makeup techniques and strategies to really get it working, but I hope I shared that with you just in case you are thinking of getting this palette. So Brisk was the hardest color for me to work with. I do think it's a color that I'm gonna try to use in different ways, maybe just in the middle as like a halo effect, maybe even trying like one of those cut creases with it. I don't know, trying something that it will kind of blend in with the skin more. So yeah, like that was like something that is a real learning experience for me, and I really enjoyed playing with those pastels in that way. In terms of the actual colors and whether or not they blended very well, I think that they blend pretty nicely. Like the formula itself is pretty good, minus the whole patchy thing. Like I don't like the patchy thing at all. Sorry if that's a bit repetitive, but it was really annoying for me. In terms of repurchasing, would I repurchase a palette like this? Maybe. I mean, if I needed another palette like this, I might purchase it again if there was nothing else on the market, but I do want to see if there's other formulas out there in the pastels feel that is not going to be patchy, is not going to look like, really chalky on melanated skin. I think it's a good buy for you if you're somebody who likes to play with makeup. If you're a beginner, not so much. Like I think that there are too many different techniques that you need to do to make it work. If you're interested in purchasing this palette, then I'm gonna go ahead. I did leave all of the information in the description box. You should be able to find that. Let me know though, did you like this look? Which one was your favorite look? And is this something that you think you would try for yourself? I'm really curious. I would love to know, so definitely go ahead and sound off in the comments. Curlfriend, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to Find Natural Hair Rocks, you should know that I post new videos on Sundays. I'm actually posting a brand new video this Sunday. It's all about Camille Rose and her new Shea Bay and Black Soap line. So I'm reviewing the deep conditioner as well as the shampoo on my Fine Natural strands. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. And if you love these tutorials and you want to see more beauty reviews, more brand new drops as soon as you possibly can, then definitely go ahead and hit up that subscribe button and smash the notification bell button as well too, so that you never ever miss another video. If you want to go ahead and share this video, please feel free to do so. I've also left a super convenient link in the description box that allows you to tweet this video to whoever you think might enjoy it. And that would really mean a lot to me because that's also a way to support Find Natural Hair Rocks to keep these videos coming. Thank you so much for watching, Curlfriend. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.